Right, hi everyone, it's Mr. Britton here. Have a look at this timing and this flat earth clock. As you can see, the aeroplane going round the clock. That's what the flat earth people say it does. A little bit sweet, isn't it, to see that happening on the clock? A person said to me, a friend of mine off YouTube, says, what's the Cockney boy doing mucking around with all this sort of stuff? And I says, well, it's Cockney science. And he said to me, well, that's the first time I've ever heard them two words go together. So yeah, here you are for the first time ever, Cockney science, and there you go. But we're going to do some time and see how this relates. We're going to do the four corners of the world. We're going to do like 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. I know that's out of order, but that was just to confuse you. Confuse me. Here we go. So we're set down on Auckland, which is New Zealand. There's a map. So Auckland is actually not on this bloody map, but it's north of the islands. And then we go over here and we'll have a look. Sorry about that. It's all live. 9:28 Auckland. So let's pop back to the clock. And there we are, 9:28. Pretty accurate. Well, we're set on Dhaka, which is Bangladesh, I believe. Right, this is this line here, which is a movable line. I don't think I showed you that, but there you go. Hope you see that. It's a little line that's drawn on there. I'll try and do a white one so you'll see better, probably. I don't know what it comes out on the computer. Hopefully it'll come out alright for you. Right, back on the map is there. Back to the clock, and as you can see, India, Dhaka, is in the right position. Now what's the time in Dhaka at the moment? Is 2:30. 2:30 Dhaka? No, that's the wrong Dhaka. Or they spell it differently. They've probably spelled it differently by the looks of it. And it says 2:30. And that's what we've basically got. Is 2:30. Right, we've set it on the 3 o'clock line, which is basically Chicago and Mexico City. And for those Americans who don't know where Chicago is, it's there. Always remember in University Challenge many years ago, where some Americans challenged a British university and they couldn't guess the shape of the United States. It's very old now. I don't know if you can get it anymore, but it was quite funny. Well, there you go, Chicago, and of course Mexico City. Right, let's have a look at these. See what we got over here. Well, Chicago is up there and it's 14:32. And we find Mexico City, and there we go. $14.32. Mexico City now $14.33. Let's have a look what we got. And there you go, $14.33. Right, on the 24-hour clock. You see, if you see the line, it moves. Then we're going to come to the centre of the Earth. Because the Earth's the centre of the universe, and the centre of the Earth, and the meridian line is London. And as you can see, we are 20:33, and we can get that down the bottom of the computer, on my computer, 20:33. There you go. Four corners of the world to the map. They all go to the right country. Just for fun, shall we spin it round on a country that ain't even on here? One round the edges unnamed. Let's try and find Cape Town, which is bottom of South Africa. There she is. We'll have to get the time, and it would have to push my computer up. Oh no, I won't. Ah, there she is. Cape Town. 22:35. Wow. I would say that was about right on the clock. Here's the line, Africa, and on the map, there she is, Cape Town. So basically, at the moment, one has got to say that this map is very accurate. Time is a measurement. The protraction of the clock is used on the measurement of the planet. So at the moment, the flat Earth actually comes into line. Now, there is one anomaly that I think I might like to have a little talk about. I've set the clock on to Athens and Cairo. Now, I haven't done a great deal about studying of this situation, but I always had a feeling that the globe will be busted with time. And I'll just go over to there. Athens is 22:37. And Cairo is the same, 22:37. As you can see, it's 22:37. Now, there's a slight anomaly. When we get to Cairo, which is there, and we go to Athens, which is over there. Now the clock never stops moving. So why is Cairo and Athens on the same time? Greece, Athens is there, and Cairo is over there, Egypt. Now time is spinning round, and so time should be moving. You cannot have exactly the same time. Therefore, on this analysis, one's got to say the globe is false and the flat earth map is correct. Just to show you again, as the line points through, it comes through Egypt, Cairo, and straight across at the right angle into Athens. Once again proving that the flat earth is correct and the ball earth, due to time, is not correct. Once again, here's the Gleason map. It is based on that clock. It's based on time. And it's pretty accurate. Anyway, Mr. Britain here. I hope it was informative. Cockney Science, the Tiller Man.